Okay students, now we'll discuss last two types of quadrilateral. Last two types of quadrilateral, which are trapezium and kite. Last two types of quadrilaterals, trapezium and kite. Up to now we have discussed different types of quadrilaterals, which are parallelogram, rhombus, rectangle and square. Now remaining two types of quadrilaterals are trapezium and kites. So let's start with trapezium. So what is trapezium? So trapezium is the quadrilateral. Trapezium is the quadrilateral in which one pair of opposite side is parallel. One pair of opposite side is parallel. So here parallel side is AB and CD. Parallelogram, rhombus, rectangle and square, उसमें क्या था? Both pair of opposite sides are parallel, but here only one pair. The requirement for any quadrilateral to be a trapezium is क्या qualification चाहिए? Only one pair. Only one pair of opposite side. One pair of opposite side is parallel. Done. एक side, sorry, one pair of opposite side is parallel, then quadrilateral is said to be a trapezium. So here parallel side is AB and CD. So AB is parallel to CD. So this both pair of opposite side is known as pair of opposite side which are parallel, है ना, parallel pair of sides, and this AD and BC are known as non-parallel sides. Pair of non-parallel sides, है ना. AD and BC are not parallel because if we extend these sides, है ना, they will intersect each other. So this one pair of opposite side, that is AD and BC, is not parallel. Only one pair of opposite side is parallel. So this is known as trapezium. Now in trapezium, if these both sides are equal, for this case they are not equal, but if these non-parallel sides are equal, then it is known as isosceles trapezium. If non-parallel sides are equal, वो पैरेलल नहीं होगी लेकिन वो लेंथ में अगर इक्वल हो गए, if AD equal to BC, if non-parallel sides are equal, then the trapezium is known as isosceles trapezium. Clear students? तो आपको दो बातें याद रखनी है. trapezium, only one pair of opposite side is parallel, that quadrilateral is known as trapezium. If non-parallel sides are equal in length, it is known as isosceles trapezium. Done. Now next type of quadrilateral is kite. So first we draw the diagram kite. So here we'll talk about the adjacent side, two non-consecutive adjacent side, or we can say two distinct non-consecutive sides. We have to consider two distinct consecutive sides. So two adjacent sides are there. Suppose this is A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Total four sides are there. So two distinct consecutive pair of sides. Done. So first pair is AD and AB, and another consecutive pair of consecutive side is this CD and BC. So here we can say these two consecutive pair of sides are equal, है ना. Adjacent sides are equal. If AB equal to AD and BC equal to CD, then we can say given quadrilateral is a kite. डन. एडजेसेंट साइड्स इक्वल होनी चाहिए, टू डिस्टिंक्ट है ना, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट कंसेक्यूटिव पेयर ऑफ साइड्स आपको कंसिडर करना है, वो दोनों इक्वल लेंथ में होनी चाहिए. सो दैट क्वाड्रिलेटरल इज नोन एज काइट. डन. सो हियर प्रॉपर्टी की बात करें, सो दिस आर दी पेयर ऑफ ऑपोजिट एंगल्स विच आर नथिंग बट दी ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल, है ना. These are the pair of angles which are obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. So pair of obtuse angle will always be equal. In case of acute angle, pair of acute angles are not equal. So pair of acute angle, pair of acute angles are not equal. Only pair of obtuse angle, pair of obtuse angle are equal in measure. Done. So pair of acute angles are not equal and opposite pair of obtuse angle are equal. Now if we consider diagonal in case of kite, so here you can say diagonal intersect, they are not bisecting, है ना. diagonal को mid point में intersect नहीं कर रहे. so here diagonal intersect each other at 90 degree. word use करेंगे intersect. diagonals intersect each other at 90 degree. डायगोनल्स इंटरसेक्ट ईच अदर एट 90 डिग्री, है ना. सपोज ये उसका मिड पॉइंट आ गया, सपोज ये इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट आ गया O. सो हियर O इज नॉट मिड पॉइंट ऑफ AC. दिस लेंथ एंड दिस लेंथ आर डिफरेंट एंड दिस वन आर डिफरेंट लेंथ. सो OA इज नॉट इक्वल टू OC, OD इज नॉट इक्वल टू OB. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स. सो हियर डायगोनल्स इंटरसेक्ट ईच अदर एट 90 डिग्री. रिमेनिंग केस में हम क्या कर रहे थे, डायगोनल बाइसेक्ट कर रहे थे, क्योंकि वहाँ पर बोथ पेयर ऑफ ऑपोजिट साइड्स पैरेलल थी, यहाँ पर पैरेलल नहीं है. हियर इन केस ऑफ काइट पेयर ऑफ एडजेसेंट साइड्स आर इक्वल है. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स. सो दिस आर द रिमेनिंग टू टाइप्स ऑफ क्वाड्रिलेटरल, ट्रेपेजियम एंड काइट्स. सो नाउ pause this video and note it down.